Unlike the beginner's method where we solve all the corners and then all the edges layer by layer, F2L, first two layers, solves the first two layers in one go, like that. In this beginner's tutorial, we'll be learning how to set up into this one and its mirror, as well as this 3 mover and its mirror. A white corner and its edge with the same colors makes up an F2L pair, and that pair needs to be inserted into its slot, and as you can see, there are 4 slots. Let's cover what I will call insert 1. Now you don't need to know cube notation, as I will try to explain intuitively, but it can help. So insert 1 involves moving the right side clockwise, the upper face clockwise, and then moving the right side back down. Now the left side is just mirrored. First we move the corner away from us, and then moving the top layer, putting it into its slot, and then back down. The second insert is exactly the same thing. However, instead of moving the upper face clockwise, we will be moving it anti-clockwise. So it looks like this. The exact same thing is true for the mirror. We move the left side up, put it in, and then back down. Moving on to the first steps of the F2L process. After we locate the edge and corner piece for the pair, we have to move both of them into the top layer. So we can use the first insert, to get the piece stuck in its slot to the top layer, like this. Now they are both in the top layer. Here we see the edge stuck in its slot, so we do R, U, R prime. Now the corner is stuck, so all we have to do is just do it again. Next we have to ask ourselves just 2 questions. The first one, are the pieces connected incorrectly? Well, if they are, we'll come back to this later. If they aren't, however, we just have to ask ourselves, how is the corner orientated? There are 3 possible answers. The first one is white is facing upwards. The second one is the color of the corner that is facing upwards, the color of the sticker, is not the same as the edge. And the third one being the color that is facing upwards is the same as the edge sticker that's facing upwards. If the colors are not the same, and this one isn't white, let's put the corner above its slot. So, if we see the white sticker on our right side, then we want the edge to be at the back. If the white sticker is facing us, then we want the edge to be on the left side. How do we move the edge to the back? Well, let's start with the white sticker on the right. Move this so that it is at the back right corner. Then we will do an R move, and then we will move the edge here. Why? Well, because if we undo the R move, when we move the corner back, it will be at the right. Now that it's at the back, we, having the sticker on the right, will do the first insert with our right hand, so the right hand variation. Solving it if the white sticker isn't on our right, once again we move the corner to the back right, and then we hide it with an R. We just have to move wherever the edge is to our front, and then undo the R move. Well, why? Once again, when we put it back, we'll realize it is now in the correct position. So we have to now move the sticker, the white sticker, so it's on our left, and do the first insert with our left hand because the sticker is on the left, like this. The second scenario is if we have the same sticker color upwards. We want to either have it like this or to be like this. In order to set it up, once again, we will move the corner to the back right and then hide it using R. This time we're moving the edge to the back because once we undo the R, wow, look at that, it's set up. So if the sticker is facing us, what we will do is put it to the left. So then we can insert using the second insert. Every single time, we've always moved the corner to the back right to hide it before moving the edge around. The one time we don't is if the white sticker is on the right. You see how these two colors match up to red? They're the same color. You can also remember if they are the same as the color on the right. Instead of moving to the back right, we will move to the front left. And then we rotate this way so that when we do an R prime, where we move the corner down and the edge across, the rest of the cube will be kept in place. And then from here, we move it so the sticker is facing the right, then using the left-hand insert of insert 2. The third possibility is having a white sticker facing up. All we have to do is move the edge to the right side, hide it using R, and then once again move the corner to the back right, then undo. From here, continue on as normal. So in this case, I will do this and insert it. Finally, if you have a special case, this is what you do. You know it's a special case because normally you would move the corner to the back right and hide it. But wait, the edge goes down there as well, so no matter what I do, the edge is always stuck. Well, in this case, we move the corner to the front left. And then, like for the other case, now we just move it down, and then we are free to move the edge about. Be careful not to move the edge here to the front right, because then it will be stuck. So just move it to one of these two options. The same can be held true for when these two stickers are the same and on the right. Normally we put the corner in the front left and then move the edge. This case we can't do that, it's connected wrong, so we swap, and instead of doing it the front left, we do it at the back right. And wow, we're free to move it, and then we continue on as normal.